Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to another episode. Today is episode 5 of our Sedona Keyhole. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share. And while you're at it, please take a visit to my website. I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, we're going to get right into today's video. So today we are going to be tackling some of these rocks. For that, we're going to be getting out some cadmium red, cadmium yellow, raw umber, Mars black, and titanium white. And then for our biggest color, we're going to be using our burnt sienna. And we're just going to mix up a menagerie of different colors and go to town. We're going to start off with a darker hue and go back and forth from the dark to the light like always. This just really helps to bring out some of the depth. I didn't really get the colors quite right when I put the orange in, but then once I go back in with the color after that, I think I really fixed that color and tied it in. I think this is going to come out looking stellar. So this is where I started using that orange color, and it did start off looking pretty good. I liked the way that it looked, and once it blended in, it was pretty sharp, but then I realized in a lot of the areas it was just too bright. So after that, I mixed up a lot more red and brown hue into it just to tone it down a lot and give it a lot more shaded look. And I really think it helped bring out the coolness of the shadows in there, even though it's still got that warm temperature. It's a lot more cooler than where the highlights are. right, that's gonna about do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. I love how this is coming out so far. Tune in one more episode and we should be able to finish this bad boy up. Remember, if it's your first time, please hit that subscribe button and that like button and share it, and visit that website, and I will see you in the next episode.